Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export Lightroom photos for the Instagram. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Lightroom app on your home screen. Now open it. Then choose one photo that you want to edit. Now edit the photo however you want to edit it. Use the given toolbars right here. And after editing, here we can find the option of share button. Go ahead and select it. Now tap onto the add border and share option right here. Now here you can find the size of the photo according to the given apps. Now select the Instagram like this. There are multiple choices of the Instagram. You can choose whatever you like to edit. You can also increase the thickness of the border just like this. And you can also change the color from this given option. After selecting, simply tap onto the share button at the top right corner. Now tap onto the save image button right here. Now you can see the photo has been saved to the gallery. And that's it. This is how you can export Lightroom photos for the Instagram app. Now share the photo in the Instagram app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.